A system is making its way in, which will into the area. Will be here in the next few hours. It will end by Saturday afternoon or Saturday evening, with the possibility of strong thunderstorms during the day on Saturday. We'll enter a cooling trend afterwards. Severe weather climatology. The SPC has not been very diligent in keeping up with our current records. I can imagine that they should have 2007, and hopefully I prefer they get 2008 plugged in. But anyhow, the peak of severe weather season is typically middle of July. The problem, most of the storms have been occurring before then and after then. A secondary season happens around this time of year, fall, most likely mid to late fall in November. That's when there's the Dixie Alley storm system, where there's a cold front, a low pressure system, and a warm front that come down and around. And the warm front and the triple point gets close enough to our area to cause wind shear. The triple point where the air masses collide. And if it's close enough here, we can get some severe storms. There's a time where temperatures here and dew points get to close to 60, which is basically a minimum for severe weather. Though if it's in that very warm though if the temperatures are pretty warm, dew points are in the 50s, or it can be severe weather. Hurricane season is probably not going to be very active because of El Nino. It's the warmer temperatures in the Pacific which cause cooler temperatures in the Atlantic, as well as causing wind shear at the higher levels, where thunderstorms can develop and rise quickly. So anyway, El Nino also is another way of predicting winter season. Before I begin to discuss what I'm going to be doing for that, just want to let you know that I cannot give you a moment's parade forecast until at least 2 weeks before, and most accurately within a few days to a week. I'll deliver a forecast based off of the North Atlantic Oscillation. El Nino, Southern Oscillation, that's with the ENSO, and I think that's basically the top two right there. Yeah. So that will be delivered later. I'll be doing it as how much snow we'll get, where the temperatures will fall compared to the average, whether it will be below freezing, slightly above freezing, well above freezing, or well above average. So that's all for now. Please be aware that there is a system coming, and it will arrive here with heavy rain and possibly some strong thunderstorms. Any breaking weather updates will be brought to you here as best as possible. For now, I'll see you another time.